Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make your TikTok account public. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. And here you will just simply now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply go to the settings and privacy at very last. And here now you can tap on privacy in the account section. You will see the option private account. Make sure that you disable this option to make your account public on TikTok. And now you can see the option switch to public account. You can now tap on switch. And this is the way you can make TikTok public account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.